those who are new, you note down these things. Another library, take DDD. So if DDD will appear like this, I will take another DDD. Then I am going to take register. What else I need? Two DC source. VDC. I take two VDC, one for this one and another for this. Then I you check and say one warning. What is that word? Warning is I think here. Start with wiki, one more, and this register default it has taken 1K, so let me take 10K. Then do check and save. Then launch ADL. Analysis. First thing what we have to do? Now you have to find out the voltage transfer characteristics. VTC. VTC curve is what curve? This component we choose. DC voltage. Okay. From here to 0 to 1. And I click on this one. Save DC operating point. Note it down. So it has given analysis here. Then go to outputs to be plotted. Select on design. Output actually I have not put anything. So let me take one. P. Output. Out. Take one P. Connect the P. The output. Is it how you have to connect the P? There is a derivative function. Derivative will give you the slope. So derivative of this, then you say happy. So this column is giving you the slope of the curve. Obviously slope is negative. That is from graph it is clear. Slope is negative. So all values are negative. But if you concentrate on the magnitude, then you see it is more than 1 in some part of the curve. In some portion of the curve, from 1 here to here, you can see it is actually more than 1. What is the maximum you are getting? Like 4.74. Here, 4.74. At that point, the slope is not fixed. So this is the input. Input को value check करो. Input का मेरा reference level था 260 and it is going above high volt around 265 and below 255. ऐसे oscillate हो रहा है. अच्छा, output देखो. Output is reference level is around 950 millivolt. उसके ऊपर ये जा रहा है कितना करके? 960 और नीचे तक जा रहा है इतना. तो इसमें आपका एप्लीकेशन हुआ है कि नहीं आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? ना यू कैन डू अ पिक टू पिक of input and pick to peak of the output, and then you can do the division to see whether you are getting any gain. 3.62. Suppose this is the output, I send it to calculator. ये आ गया यहाँ कैलकुलेटर में, देखो यहाँ इक्वल के फंक्शन होगा. Can you see one peak to peak? Then evaluate. What is it? 5.07 millivolt peak to peak. Note down that output peak to peak is coming 5.07 millivolt. Then I put the input, send to the calculator. Then again I do the peak to peak. Peak to peak. Now it is 9.97 millivolt. Now I do output by input. Peak to peak, output by peak to peak input. The input that. क्या हुआ? किसका 9 पॉइंट इनपुट का peak to peak. तो देयर इज नो गेन ना. अच्छा यहाँ पे ये कार भी मेरे सामने है, तो ये कार बोल रहे हैं कि एक्चुअली दिस इज द आउटपुट दैट स्लोप. दिस वन एक्चुअली फॉर ए डिफरेंट आरएल, वो पहला आरएल ले लिया है. एक्चुअली आरएल हम लोग लेना चाहते थे 1 मेगा होगा, तो 1 मेगा नहीं हुआ. 1 मेगा इसमें आओ, इसका जो वैल्यू देखना है ये भी है. हाँ ये 10 के ले रहा है, तो इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे अभी 1 मेगा ओम करेंगे. 1E6 एक तरफ से क्या होता है. तो अभी ये ज्यादा स्लोप वाला आ गया. अच्छा इसमें ज्यादा यहाँ पे जीएम कितना आया 50 point something U.
59
नोट करो
GM
15.59 15.59 U होगा 10 to the minus 6, and my RL is actually how much 1 mega ohm, that is 10 to the power 6. इसको अगर मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो गेन आता है आपका अराउंड 15.9 ऐसा आता है ना. अच्छा अभी इसमें तो ये है तुम्हारा इनपुट सेंड टू कैलकुलेटर, then go to peak to peak. Happen. So it is input is roughly 5 plus 5 minus 5, that is 10 millivolt. It is coming as 9.8 millivolt. Or you can also take this as 10 millivolt. No issues. You can take gain equal to 10 millivolt. And come to the output part. Now can you see the output is much more amplified? Output का amplification ज्यादा हुआ है ना. कैलकुलेटर में जाओ और इसको peak to peak करो. Peak to peak. देखो कितना आता है 46.1 millivolt. 46.1 millivolt. 4.69. तो आपका जो गेन shift variable will automatically be frequency. Now I am going to change the frequency of the source. Whose value is amplitude is 1 volt. And what is the starting frequency? Say 1. And I can go up to a very high frequency, say 1 megahertz. Then apply, say OK. So 3, 1 DC, 1 transient and 1 AC. Then I do simulation. This was already there. This was already there. Conjunct. Now another one has come for the AC one. Where what is this axis? Frequency. Getting varied from 1 to 10 to the power 12. 1 hertz to 10 to the power 12 hertz. Like it is a kind of. ऐसे खींचने से आता है लेकिन आ नहीं रहा है ऐसे नीचे और भी थोड़ा खींचना पड़ेगा कैसे जाएगा ये कोई कंप्यूटर वाले एक्सपर्ट मुझे पता हुआ है इसको ऊपर कैसे ले जाए AC magnitude output Now this is in decibel dB scale जो 4 कितना था 4.71 something in dB scale it is coming around 13.44 dB 13.44 dB and you know there is a 3 dB point